Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to Kanto Housewife. Today we're going to make some easy and delicious creamy kimchi udon. Udon is my go-to on cold days, and this recipe is definitely one of my favorite Korean fusion. Here is the ingredient list, and it will yield 2 servings. Alright, let's prepare the ingredients. First, we are going to soak the frozen udon with some boiling water. This will separate the udon without cooking it. If you're using dry udon, minus 3 minutes off the suggested cook time and put it in ice water bath to stop the cooking process afterward. Next, we're going to soak and clean the dry shiitake mushroom. If you have time, use cold water and soak it for an hour or more. This will help bring up the flavors of the mushroom. If not, you can use hot water. After the mushroom is soaked and is nice and soft, remove the core and slice the mushroom. After you're done, marinate them with some oyster sauce, Maggi, and sugar. Mix them well together. Next, we're going to chop 5 slices of bacon. You can add more if you would like, or you can skip this if you want to make it a vegetarian dish. Next, chop 1 to 2 sticks of green onion and put it aside. Then we're going to chop half a cup of kimchi into smaller pieces. Save 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice for the sauce. I like to use parchment paper for easy cleanup, but you can skip this step. Then cook an egg to your liking. I love my egg fried with bubbly egg white, crispy brown edges, while the egg yolk are still runny. When you're done, season it with some salt and pepper. In a pan or wok, add some oil, turn it up to high heat. When the oil is hot, add bacon and stir fry it for 2 minutes. Add the marinated mushroom and cook them for another 2 minutes. Then add kimchi. Cook for another minute and add udon. Mix them well together. Add milk or cream, water, Korean chili flakes, dashi powder or chicken bouillon powder, kimchi juice, and gochujang. Cook all of them for another 2 to 3 minutes. When it's done, top it with some green onion and a fried egg. Voila! You just made another delicious and easy meal ready in 15 minutes. The udon is so creamy and tasty when mixed with the eggs. The mushroom and bacon match perfectly with the kimchi. This legitly is the perfect meal for winter days or after a long weekend. Alright, this concludes our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out other contents. As always, have a bold-delicious day!